everyone, Amanda here. I thought I'd just come and share some little decorated glassine bags that I've been making. I've made these specifically for a swap over on my swap group, which is on Facebook. We are Scrimpy's Shabby Chic Crafts and Swap Group. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to come on over. We share everything shabby chic and vintage style because that is my first love when it comes to crafting. Although I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator, I absolutely love anything shabby chic and vintage, and that group has been running over on Facebook long before I joined Stampin' Up, so we do other things. I have quite a lot of videos in my YouTube collection. If you go back to some of the older ones before I joined Stampin' Up, you'll see me making flowers and stick pins and all sorts of things. I don't do them as much now because I do love my card making and my box making, but they're there if you want to have a look. So I've made this swap for a lady, for my swap partner. I was called in to cover for Victoria, who's one of the admin over there, because she was busy having her baby, so I basically took on her swaps. And mine, it was a little bit late going out. My swaps are always late, but I always do them. But you know, I'm not known for my timekeeping when it comes to swapping. I'm a bit naughty. But so this is the first one. So the glassine bags are pre-bought. I didn't make them. You can make them. I've made them before. I've even got a tutorial on how to make them and then decorate them. And these are pre-bought. I bought these from the Crafty Emporium over on Facebook, run by Carol Tinson. So because I didn't have time to make my own, I used my stash of pre-made. And I've decorated the top here with a little tab, and this is a journal tab. All the digital, all the papers are all digiprints, and most of them have come from Artie Mays. This is an Artie Mays. And this lovely embellishment here was sent to me by my friend Kay, who's Kazakins here on YouTube. So she's made that, so I've used that on there. I've just added some lace. This is, as I say, this is an Artie Mays digital journal page, and we've got some book pages behind there. And then in the inside I've just put some bits and bobs of things, because I know that the lady I'm swapping with does journaling, so I've put a lot of things in there that I know she will use. And then this one here, again, this image is from Artie Mays. She sells downloadable printable images. And this, in fact, I've got some more of them here. You know, these are, I think they're called Victorian ladies and Victorian children. So if you search Artie Mays online, you should come up with her. She's got an Etsy and a website. I've done some stamping behind the glassine bag there, using stays on and a script stamp. And then this one here, the Imagine, that's downloadable. I've got a feeling that I've taken that is a freebie from the Crafty Emporium from Carol. I think she did those, and she has it as a freebie in the files of her Facebook group. I've added a little bit of lace here to pull out some of the pink, and we've got some cheesecloth. And again, I've used one of the Artie Mays. They're meant to be journal page tabs, and I've filled this with just bits of, I've got some just cut-offs of, I think there's some lace there, some pretty lace, and some like decorative trim for the lady to use on her journals. So that's that one. I've not done a tutorial as such for these because they're kind of one of those things that I pick up and put down. So it's taken, you know, I might have done 2 in one day and then 2 in another day. So I've not really done a tutorial as such, but it's just layering really. And then this one here, we've got a little butterfly that I've created using an old Stampin' Up punch, the Papillion Potpourri, which was the old one. And then I've just put a little bit of offcut of lace trim there, and some doodah, what's it? Cheesecloth. And then these tickets are an Artie Mays downloadable digit image, and I've shrunk them. I was messing about and I shrunk them down to a much smaller size, obviously, and I just thought they'd make cute embellishments. And this one here is from it's an Etsy shop whose name I've totally forgotten, but she does sets of digiprints and they're really, really reasonably cheap. I'm trying to remember what she's called. Can't think off the top of my head, I can't think. But they are from her. And then again inside there I've got some bits and bobs. And then here we've got another one. This is a paper clip, so it comes off, and that was gifted to me in another swap, so another lady made that over in the Crafty Emporium. She sent me that. And then I've got a little cutout heart, and we've got a digiprint on the background there. Cannot remember for the life of me where that's come from. I could have downloaded that from Pinterest, but I'm not sure. This little ticket again is Artemis, and we've got some more little lace trim there. And then in here there's just a couple of offcuts. I can't think where they've come. It's probably Artemis. You know, I'll print them out and chop them up, and I have them in a little pot at the side of my, and so I'm just gifting a couple there to that lady. And then these two here, you know, they're all different sizes. These are just stamped ones, so I've used a dragonfly and a script stamp, and then a postage one and laid it over, and then I've added a paper butterfly. And on this one I've got dragonfly and another one of my handmade little butterflies there. And these little tickets here are awesome. I love them. They were sent to me by my friend Valerie Litton. Absolutely love them. I need to ask her where she's got them actually. So that completes my altered glassine bag swap for my swap. So I hope my lady likes those and will forgive me for being late. I frequently am, but I always do them. So there you go, there's some ideas. Have some fun, go and create some. Come on over and join us at Scrimpy's Shabby Chic Crafts and Swap group and join in our swaps. And we have awesome fun, we do them regular, and yeah, we see some lovely stuff, lots and lots of inspiration. So there you go, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.